How to change WhatsApp home screen wallpaper. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to change WhatsApp home screen wallpaper. Now let's get started. First we need to open our WhatsApp app. Then we should click on option settings at the right corner at the bottom. Here we need to find option chats and click on it. Then we should tap on option chat wallpaper at the top. And now we need to click on choose a new wallpaper at the top. In appearance menu we can select bright wallpaper or dark or just solid colors. Also you can choose from your photos or use default wallpaper. For example, I will choose bright wallpaper and choose this one. And then we need to tap on set at the bottom. And now you will have a new wallpaper. And that's all. It was how to change WhatsApp home screen wallpaper. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.